quick.
I'm not checking my DMs.
Quick, bitch! Come on, shut the fuck up. Check your
There's a
DMs.
bitch here.
It's something. No, shut up. It's like funny. Check your DMs. Wait a second. It's just a picture.
No! Fucking...
Wait, check your DMs. Wait,
I'm
check your
not
DMs.
checking my DMs, you fat dipshit. No, I fell! Unstuck
Wait,
me.
check your DMs.
You're stuck
Wait,
with me. You fell.
What the
Nini,
Yes.
look.
That's my
Sir, I
Check
hope
your
your mom
DM.
disowns you.
What is that?
Die! That's what I
Nini,
thought.
check your DMs.
I hope your mom
Did you
disowns you
make
both
that
IRL
right
and get
now?
Your Minecraft account is literally pirated. You bought it for $2 on eBay because you can't even afford a $5 gaming mouse, bro.
Check
I
your
hope
DMs.
Your mom disowns you.
Check your DMs. Check your
Why
DMs.
would I check my DMs? Why?
You're pretty bad at PvP. That's why.
I'm bad at PvP, huh? I hope your mom disowns both you and your shitty little sister, which is adopted. Yeah, you're going to have one. No! Why does he respawn every 5 seconds? Why? This dipshit doesn't even know who his parents are.
Those racing
His
bots.
parents literally
That's nice to say. Everyone, check your freaking DMs, you son
got
of a bitch.
Let's go!
Check your DMs, quick.
Wait, what's his
I'm not
username?
checking
What's
my
his username?
DMs.
Right now, bitch.
Nini.
Bitch boy.
Tell me what he sent you.
Honestly, do you really want to know?
Yes.
Please,
Your
just check
profile
your
pic
DMs.
in an alarm clock.
Bro.
Your DMs, it's fun. It's fun.
I'm
Check your
not checking
DMs.
my fucking DMs.
Check your fucking DMs right now, bitch.
You have half a heart.
I'm gonna fucking
Okay, I'll be back. Don't be alarm clock when I'm gone.
That kid is hyper jumping on a map that doesn't have hyper jumps.
Bro! I hope this kid's mom disowns him! IRL.
Please tell me this doesn't corrupt. If this corrupts, I swear to God, this is the worst day of my life.
Don't. Hi, bitch. Hi! What the f-
You're spamming.
Ah, this kid's really trying me now, huh? I'm here. How is he not dead?
When being alarm clock 24/7.
I must make a song out of this. I must.
Alarm clock
Make a
win.
song, huh? I'm
Check
gonna...
your DMs. Check your DMs.
Your mom is a little DM me for the...
He's winning.
Bro, this dipshit doesn't know who his parents are!
My name Danny is the best person ever.
I swear,
How
for I'm
can
gonna
I
literally
be?
kill your entire family. I know where your address is.
I know where your address is.
How will dipshit and actually kill him when? You're good at PvP.
You're the fuck! Are you trying me?
What do you mean I'm trying? You're doing bad to this freaking non.
Wait, what's
You're freaking
the
destroying you and
He is
freaking your mom. That kid
got
is
adopted with 0 adoption fee!
crashing your mom.
His adoption fee was $0!
I'm searching
Means
his stats
parents
right
clearly didn't love him.
But your mom did.
What the You want me to alarm clock up your ass?
No, but you're literally alarm clock, and that's literally
Literally shit on!
now. Search his stats right now.
We're checking the
Oh,
DMs.
wait.
I'm not
yeah, he's
checking my
shit.
fucking DMs just because you sent a
When
fucking
he
alarm
has
clock.
No, it's
He
funny
has
there. I edited the
167
alarm
bridge
clock.
wins. He has 167 bridge wins.
Fuck! This guy's rich! I hope his mom disowns him. Die! No one like. If I win this, you guys owe me $100.
No, your mom's owes me her ass.
I mean, at least
You
my
owe
mom has
me
an ass.
$100.
What did you say?
Fucking bitch. Yeah, come here. Come on, race me. Oh, he's winning. He's winning. He's winning.
He's way faster. Dumbass, check your DM.
Please
Check your DM.
tell me. Please tell me OBS works.
I'm gonna
Please
fuck
tell
this
me my
kid up.
OBS
I'm gonna
recorded
fuck this
this.
kid up.
Please
I'm
tell
gonna
me my
fuck
OBS
this kid
recorded
up.
this.
I'm
Yes!
going to fuck this kid up.
Yes!
What?
You don't even know what will happen to you if you.
Yes. Wayne, do you want me to send
Theory.
footage of this?
Theory. Party me.
What DDoS?
You have a
You're
problem?
gonna DDoS me?
No.
Party me.
What?
Party me. Party me.
A4D
Yes.
being DDoS.
Party me. So we can
Not
play
partying your fucking dumb shit.
A4D, prepare for a
Party
DDoS.
me so I can
I
destroy you
hope your
and
mom disowns you.
I hope I freak your mom.
At least I have a mom.
Let me just quickly
Not
turn on my
adopted.
VPN.
Where can you go back
You're
to your
adopted.
adoption center?
You're
Your
literally,
adoption fee was literally $0, which means your parents didn't even love you.
party me and let's do a bridge do.
Here, let's watch them.
You
You're
want to
really DDoSing him?
Party me, dumbass.
Are you really DDoSing him?
Yes, this thirsty gamer girl to be my girlfriend.
Be asking her if she wants to be my girlfriend.
Oh my god, what is
Brain.
this?
All the way till the end. And don't
Are you
forget to
actually
follow my
DDoSing?
How much FPS is that in?
Are you actually
And don't forget to
DDoSing
follow my
A4D?
Twitter and Twitch. My Twitch is Zachology LOL. Stream on there every
Martin,
single day, so
I'm
go follow that or you're gonna have 10 years of bad luck. Don't risk it, go follow her right now. It's on the screen. Anyways, boys, enjoy
Quite
the
your
video.
website.
Alright, guys, so
Quite your website. Sada kad imam novi IP, quite your website. Evo čuješ, Martine?
Sutra jutro ćemo napraviti palačinke, može? Nino, je tebi dovoljno ladno sada?
Da.
Malo se izmrzavaš već.
Ne.
Ne? Ja više ne znam šta da radimo do ovog vremena. Aj mi nađi sad željenice i sve smo rešili. Evo našla sam ovo.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here. Today I'm doing an oil change on my 1995 Ford Windstar. And this video is not going to be an oil change video, but it's going to be something even
Šta
better.
se desilo?
Damn, you little
You
dipshit.
can see there, 292,059 miles. It's a 95. I've owned this since this car was brand new.
What is that?
Every 5,000 miles is a conventional
When?
oil. You've seen all the videos on this car. I take very good care of it. And after 300,000 miles, I'm really curious how this engine's doing. The one method that you can use is to check
My ears hurt so bad.
I'm gonna fill this up with oil. We'll send it in. And
Let's
we'll
do
get the
some
results from the
bottle
lab to see the
flips.
condition of the oil, which will tell us the
Zapravo
condition of the engine.
DDoSaš
The
ovo.
last oil change on this vehicle was done at 284,000 miles, and 5W30 was used. So that is an 8,000 mile oil change. While
Hope this
8,000
kid's
miles is a bit
this
long for
one.
conventional oil on a 300,000 mile engine, it'll be interesting to see how well the oil held up. So before I go out and take a sample of the oil, I just want to let you know I ran the engine for about 15 minutes by driving the car.
Vinny,
I'm
my
We've been sitting here for a
Wait,
few
they
minutes
gotta
now,
answer
and
him.
that just gets all the oil turned up.
What's
it also
up?
reduces any
Ja,
water
niet
that's in there
zejder,
from
fra.
condensation, and it gives us a nice sample.
Bog dat de
So let's see what
sveti
comes with
Milo
the
je
kit.
obesio.
Why?
You have the bottle that you fill up with the engine oil.
Imam ya
You got
твоя
this oil absorbent paper here so you don't make a mess. You have a Ziploc bag, again, so you don't make a mess when you send your oil sample in.